Hello everyone. Today's the first video you're going to hear. It's got me actually saying something in it. My name is James. This is my Millright Mega V extra large. I'm working on a design for some soap dishes for a lady that has a soap shop, and so trying it out, see how it's going to do with my design. I'm cutting it on cedar. I got a 1mm ball nose bit in there, and just thought I'd let it run and see how it's going to come out with the design. It's going to be like a square and a square and a square, and it's going to have drains on the side, so when you sit your soap on it, the water can drain out through the little diagonal drains. So thought I'd video a little bit of it. Got my door on just in case anything goes on, so I got it fully enclosed. Got a door I put on it with a window. I don't know if you can see it or not, it's kind of tight here, but I got a window I made. It's got handles. Got one handle here, another handle there holding it on right now. I've got 4 handles on, 4 screw-in knobs to hold it on, but came out pretty good just for the first time building the enclosure door. So I'm gonna let it run here a little bit and you can just watch it. I'm kind of watching it too to see how it does. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe.